One of the interesting thing about this site that I'm about to share with you is that you can actually make above $1,000 in a month by working on this site, provided you are diligent, consistent, and focused in working with this site. Hi beautiful people, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share vital information, important information, and legit information on different ways to make money online. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a site by the name Microworker, in which you can actually make money online by performing different micro tasks from different categories, ranging from transcription, sharing of links, working on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, as well as transcription, data collection, taking surveys, and a lot more of micro tasks that you can do on this platform. All you need to do is to be persistent and diligent to perform all these micro tasks. As we all know that making money is a matter of consistency and focus, the same principle apply on this side. You need to work on the different micro tasks that are being posted on this side on a daily basis. If you are really focused, if you really want to make above $1,000 working on this side. Most of the tasks that you see on this side are easy to do tasks. So I'm just going to go ahead to share my screen with you and to walk you through this interesting site. As you can see on your screen, this is Microworker. They say work and earn. So this is the site right here. To get to this site, just type microworkers.com on your browser and it will lead you to this official site. But I'm going to leave the link on my video's description, so make sure you check it out. You can perform surveys on this site, you can do image tagging, research study, content moderation, data mining. These are the different tasks that you can begin to perform on this site: categorization, sentiment analysis, data mining, content moderation, as you can see here, translation, image quality rating, video transcription, and just to name a few. So I'm just going to go ahead to sign up for an account with Microworker. So I'll just click on register. So when you click on register, it will lead you to the section where you need to fill in your names, all the information relating to you that you need to fill up on this site. So I'm just going to fill up with my name, my password, gender, date of birth, email, and all the like. I know this is easy, but because many people usually reach out to me and they say, how do I sign up for an account? That's why I just decided to do the sign up process. After you are done, you click on submit. When you click on submit, they will ask you to verify your email. So I'm just going to go over to my email in order to verify my email. So I'm just going to click on this link. Then they say click here to activate your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and activate my account by clicking here. They say congratulations, your account is now active and you are logged into your account. So click on the account section right here in order to verify your phone number. Just click on change here. Then you enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, you just click on save changes. Then you click on verify phone number. So this number, they say you should send an SMS text by the word activate to this number using your phone so that your account can be verified. So make sure you send an SMS to this number, this +19723609222. So going back to the job section, you see the different micro jobs that are available. As you can see, there are 555 jobs that are available to you. So you can go ahead and you begin to perform these different tasks. So these are most paying tasks, latest tasks, and best rating tasks. Time to rate. That's the meaning of TTR, to rate. Let me click on the most paying jobs. The most paying jobs. When I click on the most paying jobs, you see the different jobs here. For example, this job is, these are the payments, then these are the success percentage. As you can see, there are different percentages here. You have 29%, 51%, 100%. So this 100% is advisable to go in for. Any job that has 100% success, then the TTR is the time that they are going to take to rate the work that you have done, and the time that they will pay you. That's the meaning of time to rate. As you can see, then time to finish is actually the time that you will take in order to finish the task. So as you can see here, you are going to take 10 minutes to complete this task. These are best jobs. When I click on best jobs, you can scroll down and you see the best jobs. All the best jobs have 100% success. So these are the jobs that you need to go in for. And all the jobs are 10 minutes. You need 10 minutes in order to finish the jobs. This one is 5 minutes. You need just 5 minutes to complete this job. The other one, 10 minutes. And you can see the different rating times that will be taken to rate your work and to do the payments. Then with the latest jobs, when I click on latest jobs, you see all the latest jobs here. You see the success percentage, the time to rate, and the time to finish right here. So they are as many as possible. So all you need to do is to take your time and to complete them. So I will always prefer to take the most paying jobs. As you can see, this is $2 and it has only 29 success percentage, and the time to do the job is 10 minutes. As you can see, always go for the job that has 100% success percentage. As you can see, this one is 10 minutes, 12 cents. So as you can see, this site does not actually pay much money, but the more tax you do, the more money you accumulate. So with this job, they are going to take 8 minutes to rate your work, and you will take 10 minutes to finish it. So it will take barely 18 minutes for you to make $2. And this $2 is by downloading a mobile app, installing it to your phone, signing up, then you make a video, you upload a video proof on the site, then you make $2. And with this one, we are going to take 10 minutes to complete this task, and 7 minutes will be used to rate the work, and you make 16 cents. So let's check this job. You need to go to YouTube. You search a particular video, you watch that video, you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, you share the video with someone, then you take a screenshot and you upload to the platform. So these are the different categories that you can actually participate in. For example, social media, for example, you see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all the like. This is Facebook. They say you like, you share, you comment, and all the like, and you make 10 cents. This the same with this. You follow on Twitter, you comment, you retweet, you like, you share, then you take a screenshot. So these are the different social media microtasks that you can begin to do on this site, and you make money. And with social media, there are 23 jobs. This is transcription. Transcription does not have any job as at now. Surveys, there are only 2 surveys available, and as you can see, there are only 2 available. These are the surveys. You take a survey, you identify a category, you take 5 minutes to do the survey, and you make 20 cents. 5 minutes to complete the survey, and you make 5 cents. Then with mobile applications, there are 2 jobs available with mobile applications. Here they say download plus install plus sign up plus video upload proof. You make $2. And then with download and install, there is no job available. With write a review, there are 9 jobs available. As you can see here, you just click on it. If you want to perform any task, you just click on it. For example, here I've not yet sent this message to this number. So if you have not yet verified your phone number, you won't be able to take any micro task on this site. So make sure you verify your phone number before you go ahead to perform any task on this site. So guys, this is the site in which you can actually focus on and make above $1,000 in a month. As you can see on the site, each and every task that you see on this site does not pay much. So for you to actually accumulate much money, you need to do as many tasks as possible so that these tasks can accumulate and sum up to something tangible. If you find any value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. Equally, go ahead and subscribe to this channel by clicking on that red subscribe button below this video. Equally, turn on the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. You can equally share this video with your friends, loved ones, and close associates, and check out other videos that I've already uploaded on this channel, and see you in my next one.